Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Now today's lesson will be looking at a topic that says number base. Okay? Now number base is simply a system of counting in which certain digits make up a bundle. So whenever you talk about number base, you're talking about certain digits of numbers that make up a bundle. Generally, counting has we have been doing counting in base 10. All right. We add, subtract, multiply, divide using base 10. Okay. Now numbers in base 10 are called ternary numbers. Do you understand? Okay. So it's not just addition in base 10 or subtraction in base 10. This lesson is going to teach you about the other bases of numbers that we have. So we have numbers in base 2, we have numbers in base 3, we have numbers in base 4, we have numbers in base 5, base 6, base 7, base 8, base 9, base 10. All right. Now, the digits of every number base, or let's say the highest digit of every number base, is usually 1 less than that base. What I'm trying to say is, like, if you're asked to list out the digits of base 2, the digits of base 2 will be 0 and 1. All right, it won't get to 2 because the highest digit of every number base is usually 1 less than the base. So the digits of base 2 are 0 and 1. The digits of base 3 are, you have 0, 1, 2, 1 and 2. The digits of base 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. The digits of base 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Digits of base 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so on. So the highest digit of every number base is usually 1 less than the base. Okay, without wasting much time, now let's look at how we can write values in powers of their number base. Okay, now sometimes the question will be asked and you'll be told to write a certain value using powers of the number base. So this is the first thing we are going to learn in this lesson. Now to do this, we have write 3412 base 5. Sorry, the question says write 3412 base 5 in powers of its number base. So the question says write 3412 base 5 in powers of its number base. To do this, you start writing your powers starting from power 0, and you are starting with the last digits. So I'm writing power 0, power 1, power 2, and power 3. Now for me to write this particular number in powers of its number base, now the first thing to do after you have the first step is to write the powers on each digit of the given number. And when you're writing the powers, you start from power 0. Power 0, the last digit takes power 0, followed by power 1, followed by power 2, followed by power 3. It keeps on going that way. All right. So to do this, I will take the first digit, which is 3, multiply it by the base. Remember, this number is in base 5. So I'm multiplying it by base 5. Now raise to the first power. The first power there is power 3, right? Plus the next number, which is 4, multiplied by the base, which is base 5. Now raise to power 2. You keep on going like that, plus the next digit, which is 1, times the base, which is base 5. Then the next power is raised to power 1, plus the next number, which is 2, times the base, which is 5. Then finally raised to power 0. So this is how to write numbers in powers of their number base. All right, you start from power 0 at the back. You fix your power starting from the last digit at the back. First one is power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3. Then, for you to write the numbers in powers of their number base, you take the first number times the base raised to the first power, plus the next number times the base raised to the next power. It keeps on going like that until the digits of the given number have exhausted. Okay, so we have another example here. We have 11001 in base 2. This number is in base 2, okay? And you're asked to express it in powers of its number base, okay? So the base of this number is 2. Remember, the highest digit of any number base is usually 1 less than that number. So this is a base 2 number. Base 2 numbers are called binary numbers, okay? So the digits of base 2 numbers are 0 and 1. You can see the digits we have here are just zeros and 1, okay? So we are going to write, or better still, express this number in powers of its number base. Remember, like we did in the first example, we take the first number, multiply it by the base. The base is base 2. Then, okay, let's fix in the powers first, starting from power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, and then power 4. So we're going to have 1 times the base raised to the first power. The first power is power 4, plus the next digit, which is 1, times the base is base 2, raised to the next power, which is power 3, plus the next digit, which is 0, times the base is base 2, raised to the next power, which is power 2, plus the next digit, which is 0, times the base is base 2, raised to the next power, which is power 1, plus the next digit, which is 1, times the base, which is base 2, then raised to power 0. So guys, this is how to express numbers in powers of their number base. It's very simple. You take, first thing to do is you write the powers of each digit, okay, starting from the last digit, which is power 0, followed by power 1, power 2, power 3. You keep on writing until all the numbers are exhausted, okay? Okay guys, let's look into the second part of this lesson. We have conversion from other bases to base 10. We are learning how to convert from other bases to base 10. All right? So we have a question here. It says convert the following to base 10. We have this binary number. Remember, numbers in base 2 are called binary numbers. So we have 110, 110 in base 2. And we are asked to convert this number to base 10. Just like the first part of this lesson, okay, whereby we learned how to express numbers in powers of their number base. Now, the first thing to do is to express each digit in power of its number base. The number base here is base 2. So we are expressing all these digits, all right, in power of base 2. Remember the first step, you write the powers starting from power 0. Starting with the last digit, we have power 0, power 1, 2, 3, 4, power 5. All right, so we take the first digit, multiplied by the base is base 2, raised to the first power, which is power 5, plus the next digit, which is 1, times the base is 2, raised to the next power, which is power 4, plus the next digit, which is 0, times the base raised to power 3, plus the next digit, which is 1, times the base raised to power 2, plus the next digit, which is 1, times the base raised to power 1, plus the next digit, which is 0, times the base raised to power 0. So this will give us 1 times 2 raised to power 5 means 2 in 5 places. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So 2 raised to power 5 is 32. Then 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3, of course, is 8. 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4. Then 1 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2. Then 0 times 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Actually, you learn about this in laws of indices, okay? It is called zero index power law. Any number that is raised to the power of 0 is equivalent to 1. So 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 3 raised to power 0 is 1. 5 raised to power 0 is 1. etc. Moving on, 1 times 32 is 32. 1 times 16 is 16. 0 times 2 raised to power, sorry, this is 8. 0 times 8 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2, and 0 times 1 is 0. 32 plus 16 is 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. 52 plus 2 gives you 54. And 54 plus 0 is 54. So our answer here is 54 base 10. So moving on, we have another example, 10221 base 3. We are changing this to base 10. Okay? So we are going to write the powers: power 0, power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4. Now we are taking the first multiplied by the base, which is base 3, raised to the power of 4, plus the next digit, which is 0, times the base raised to the next power, plus the next digit, which is 2, times the base raised to the next power, plus the next digit, which is 2, times the base raised to the next power, plus the next digit is 1, times the base raised to power 0. Okay, so we're going to have 1 times 3 raised to power 4. 3 in 4 places. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. Now 27 times 3. 27 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 2, 6, plus 2 is 8. So 3 raised to power 4 is 81, plus 0 times 3 raised to power 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 2 times 3 raised to power 2 is 9. That's 3 times 3, plus 2 times 3 raised to power 1 is 3. Then 1 times 3 raised to the power of 0 is 1. This gives us 1 times 81 is 81. 0 times 27 is 0. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. So we keep adding. 81 plus 18. 81 plus 18. 1 plus 8 is 9. Then 8 plus 1 is also 9. So 99. 99 plus 6. 99 plus 6 is 105. 105 plus 1 is 106. So our answer is 106 base 10. So we have ended up converting from this number in base 3 to a number in base 10, and we got 106 in base 10. Alright guys, thank you for watching. So we have learned how to convert from other bases to base 10. In our next lesson, we are going to learn how we can convert from base 10 back to other bases. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you. Bye.